So here is how you can delete the previous wallpaper on the iPhone. Let's get started and let me talk about it. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So in the latest versions of iOS, the wallpapers work in so-called wallpaper pairs. So whenever you, for example, go to the lock screen, you can swipe down from the top, and if you hold down on it, you can see that we get to the edit mode and you can swipe horizontally between the wallpaper pairs. Right, so you can see we have a couple of them right here, and like these are the previous wallpapers which I used, right? So I can switch back and forth, and if I actually want to delete the one which perhaps I'm accidentally switching to, I can always swipe up on it and click on the trash, and it's no longer going to be an option, so there is no way to get back to it, or it's not even stored in the iPhone's settings anymore. And speaking of settings, you can also find the very same sections in that app. So just go to the settings app and find the little wallpaper section. So you can go there, and it's essentially the same thing, but a little bit more nicely organized here. So you can as well just go to the options here and like manage your wallpaper pairs and go back and forth, right? So this is obviously another place to do it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it and make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.